Hi there, students. Crass. Okay, crass is an adjective. Crassly, the adverb. Crassness, the quality of the noun. Okay, if you describe something as crass, you're saying it's stupid and it doesn't consider how other people might feel. So he made some very crass remarks. Yeah, they were stupid and insensitive. Yeah, at the funeral, he made crass jokes about death. Okay, so crass behavior, crass ignorance. Yeah, it's stupid and blunt. Yeah, a crass error of judgment. It was stupid and unthinking. Okay, so something that's crass, it has no intelligence and no sensitivity. So it's insensitive and mindless. Yeah, so it's stupid and insensitive. Okay, so crass behavior is stupid and it doesn't think about how other people might feel. I think very often it's just so stupid that the person who's saying it is incapable of thinking about how other people might feel. So to behave with crass insensitivity, yeah. The lyrics to the song were crassly ignorant. Yeah, they were crassly cynical. So stupid, gross, blundering. Okay, the news was was so crassly presented that it upset a lot of people. Yeah, I think maybe reporters are famous for asking crass questions of people who've just suffered a terrible experience or things like that. So the crassness of his question, the stupidity, the vulgarity, the coarseness of his question. Yeah, so the crassness of the reporter's question made me very angry. It was insensitive. Clearly, if you're asking questions as a reporter about somebody who's had a really bad experience, well, I think it's a crass thing to do anyway. Yes, crass, crude, coarse, unrefined, insensitive. Yeah, you can also use it to mean materialistic. Money, money, money. Give me money. That's what I want. But insensitively materialistic. Yeah. Okay, so it's somebody who's just thinking about money, but again, they're stupidly thinking about money with insensitivity. Yeah? So, how much do you want for me to be quiet about the death of your family? It's pretty crass, isn't it? Okay, so yeah, if somebody is crass, they're not thinking about it's not refined. Yeah, it's just totally insensitive and stupid. It's gross, it's blundering. Yeah, it's boorish. So they behaved crassly. They are barbarians that lack delicacy and refinement. Yeah, they're not thinking about other people. Yeah, crass jokes at the expense of people who are suffering. Okay, so now question, formality, crass. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. It's a little bit on the more formal side. And it comes from Latin directly, crassus, meaning solid, thick, matted. Yeah? dense, okay, and that's the idea. So crass, yeah, you've seen some pretty crass comments in YouTube as well. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Crass, crassly, crassness.